Welcome to BSS Online Schooling. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to our Maths online class. I hope these online classes are helping you to study at home. Our today's topic is time. Let's learn how to read a clock. I have made a clock for you. It is an analog clock and it has two hands, a small hand and a big hand. First, we will see how the small hand works. The small hand indicates hour. Now, this is small hand indicating 3 and the big hand is indicating 12. So, what is the time now? It must 3 o'clock. Again, if I move the small hand to 6 and the big hand is still indicating 12, the time is 6 o'clock. Let's move the small hand again. I'm moving it to 8 and the big hand is indicating still 12 and the small hand is indicating 8 now. So what is the time now? Yes, it is 8 o'clock. Okay, let's move the small hand again and now it is indicating 11 and the big hand is indicating 12. So the time is 11 o'clock. I hope you have understand how the small hand works. Now let's see how the big hand works. It indicates the minutes. You all can see there are small lines between all the numbers. Every lines indicates 1 minute. Let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1 is 5. We will count 1 is 5. That's how we will count all the numbers by 5. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It goes like 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 or o'clock. We do not say 60 because it is the starting point. That's why I have written here 0, or you can say o'clock. Now let's see how does it works. Now the small hand indicating 9 and the big hand is indicating 1. So what is the time now? The time is 9:05. 9:05. If I move the big hand to here, what is the time now? The time is 9:10. 9:10. Okay, let's move both hands. Now I am moving this hand to 7 and the big hand to 5. Now what is the time? It is 7:25. 7:25. Now the small hand indicating 10 and big hand indicating 7. Now the time is 10:35. 10:35. That's how we can say the time. One more important thing, if the big hand indicating 3 and the small hand indicating 10, what is the time now? It is 10:15, or you can say it 10:15. 10:15. If I move the small hand to 12, what is the time? The time is 12:15, or we can say it 12:15. 12:15. Again, if I move the small hand to 2, what is the time? It is 2:15, or we can say it 2:15. 2:15. Then if I move the big hand to 6 and the small hand indicating 2, the time is 2:30, or we can say it 2:30. 2:30. If I move the small hand in 3, the time is 3:30, or in another word we can say it 3:30. 3:30. If I move the small hand to 12, the time is 12:30, or we can say it 12:30. 12:30. Then if I move the big hand to 9 and the small hand closer to 12, it is not indicating 12 but it is closer to 12, so we can say the time is 11:45. 11:45. It is 11:45, or in another word you can say it 11:45. If I move the small hand near to 3, the time is 2:45, or you can say it 2:45. 2:45, because 15 minutes are left to be 3 o'clock. So you can say it 2:45 or 2:45. 2:45. Same like that, if I move the small hand near to 6, the time is 5:45 or 5:45. 5:45. I hope I made you understand how all the hands works and how to say the time. Please practice a lot at home and write your feedback in the comment box. Bye bye.